In this video, you will learn how to change the position of the horizontal and vertical axis in Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated this graph and the position of the vertical axis was at 0. Later on, I have changed this position and the result is in front of you. You will learn how to change the position of horizontal and vertical axis as well as these vertical and horizontal lines in Microsoft Excel graph. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly I will generate a graph. Select this data, go to insert option, and here is the option of charts. I will generate a line graph. I will choose this option and I will select first one. Now I will click on this horizontal axis, right click, go to format axis option. I will go to this fill and line option and I will highlight this line, black color and width 1.5 pt. Similarly, I will click on this line and I will highlight this one for easy explanation. Now you will learn how to change the position of this horizontal axis. Click on it. After selecting this one, place your cursor here and right click. Here is the option of format axis. Select this option. Here is the option of axis. Select this option and scroll down. Here is the option of label. Select this option. Now you will find the option of label position. Click on this down arrow key. Here you will find different options. You can select high, low, next to axis. I will choose low. Now you can see here the label position is changed now, but line position remains same. Now you will learn how to change this line position. I will again go to this axis option and scroll down. Here is the option of vertical axis cross. I will select this vertical axis and I want to cross this horizontal axis at -600. So I will choose 600. Horizontal axis cross. Choose this option which is the axis values. Here I will write -600. Click on this graph. Now you can see here the line position is also changed. Similarly, you can select vertical axis values, right click, go to format axis option and go to this axis option, select label, and from here you can change the position next to axis, high or low. You can also change the position of this line as I earlier explained. I will select horizontal axis values. Go to this axis option and scroll down. Here you will find the option of vertical axis crosses. I will choose add category number. These values are in the text form, so these will be selected as 1, 2 or 3. For example, in this case I will write 3. Click anywhere on your sheet. Now you can see here the position of the vertical axis is changed. So by following this video, you can easily change the position of horizontal and vertical axis in Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.